Good day, you are welcome to ICT Tech Hub. Once again, you are warmly welcome. Today we shall be considering phone backup to cloud, as we all use assets. We operate assets every day, almost all of us. So why must we back up our phone contacts, information, videos, audio messages, all sorts? Why must we back it up? We should back them up because of some reasons. Number one, in case of theft, that if the phone is stolen. Number two, in case of corrupted system, if the asset, refuse to respond to instructions, what do we do? Um, Another one is in case of loss, probably you misplaced the asset and you couldn't get back. What do you do? I can't remember vividly. Once happened to me, and I lost almost everything. Till date, I can't still recover all. So to prevent such, we should back up to cloud. It does not cost anything. How do we go about that? Let's move on. When you If the backup is stored on your phone, you are saving all this. Number one, you're saving the contacts, you're saving the Google Calendar if you enter settings, you are saving the network password, previous network you've connected to before. You have them back. You are saving wallpapers. Most importantly, you are saving the WhatsApp content, the videos, the audios, the pictures, images, everything on that WhatsApp. You can have them recovered back. Another one is that you are saving the Gmail settings. Next, apps, your system applications, phone applications, display settings, probably the brightness and sleep and all sorts. Language and input settings, that is predefined, that's default. Date and time settings. The other settings and data for apps, that is not from Google, depending on the kind of phone you're using. Be it is Android, maybe it is any kind of phone you are using. The smartphone of leisure. Let's move on. Now, who owns the cloud? People do ask if I keep something on the cloud. Who is in charge? Uh, Cloud computing was invented by a computer scientist, an American called Dr. Joseph Carl Robinett. He made this in 1960 to connect people and data from anywhere at any time, to get people connected to what they have, so that they don't need to go somewhere with anything. If you are traveling, you can leave your phone here and you have to recover back anywhere in the world. That was the privilege this man, Dr. Joseph Carl Robinett, gave to us. Let's move on. And these are all he provided under the cloud storage. Number one, C backup. This cloud storage could store 10 give access to user to store 10 GB free cloud information. Anything you want to store, give me 10 GB free for you to store there. Number two, the Go. This gives 100 GB free cloud storage to the users. Then we have Mega, 50 GB free cloud storage. Plump, 20 GB free cloud storage. Google Drive, that is the one we have on our side and what's used now, 15 gig free cloud storage. We have P Cloud to be 10 gig free cloud storage. Ice Drive, 10 gig free cloud storage, and OneDrive. Majority of all use OneDrive as well. 5 gig free cloud storage is provided uh, under the OneDrive cloud storage. Let's go on. Backing up phone information to the Google Cloud, that is the one that is conversant to it. That's relevant to our phone, the asset you're using. How do we go about this? The first stage is you click on settings, then you move to accounts. Under the accounts, you turn on this, you check this. That's automatically synchronize app data. Every app in your computer, your contacts, your WhatsApp, you know, every Truecaller, TikTok, everything that you have will be stored. Can you see all of them are listed here? So when you check on this, you are having the privilege of buy them back when you are to install whatever that is stored in there. Let's move on. After that is be done, you go back to settings and check the Google services and preferences. You click on that. Then you select Google account. If you don't have any Google account before, you create a Gmail account. But this takes only Gmail account, no other. Yahoo, no, and all others, so they are not allowed here. So you must have a Gmail account, any account that is at gmail.com. Probably the one you had before, you can put it in here. Or if you're having it on your phone before that you used to register the phone, you just click, on the particular one you want to use and move on with it. So now I've selected mine. I click on this. So the next thing is to it's recognized Yoladairo at gmail.com. So I'm going to check on backup because I want to back up everything that I have on my cell phone. So I'm checking on backup. Then with that, I'm having this platform uh, giving me options, an opportunity to check on backup now. Yeah. So I'm clicking on backup now. Like I told us, as you see, we're having 15 gigabytes free storage here, and it's only 83 megabytes that is stored here, of information. So I don't really back up so much. So we have 1% to use the system. So I'm going to check on backup now. I've not used it before. I've used it before. This automatically backed up. So I'm going to click on backup now. So after that is done, that could take about 3-4 minutes. It depends on the volume of the information you are backing up. Then after that, if it is completed successfully, anytime you have problem with your cell phone, you can have them back as it was. You're welcome once again. I'm seeing this medium to admonish us to share this with friends so that they can join us on this platform. That you'll be able to learn because we just started. We are going deep and deeper than you even believe. You click on like. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel so that you can have access to any new video posted from this end. God bless you. You are all welcome. Thanks so much for visiting the site once more.